Hello guys, welcome to the course. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to enhance your vocal audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here we have our audio file. Hello guys, welcome to the course of Adobe Premiere Pro Beginner to Expert. I'm your new instructor. This is our audio that come here. Hello guys, welcome to. So we'll level up the audio first. To the course of Adobe Premiere Pro Beginner to Expert. I'm your new instructor. After that, we'll apply effect called parametric equalizer. If you write on the search bar, it will come up, or you can find it from audio effect to filter and EQ. Here you can see parametric equalizer. We apply on here, and after that we select vocal enhancer. Hello guys, welcome to the course of Adobe Premiere Pro Beginner to Expert. I'm your new instructor. So we can see that the audio quality level is increased. Hello guys, welcome to the course of Adobe. Hello guys, welcome to the course of Adobe Premiere Pro Beginner to Expert. I'm your new instructor. So our audio quality has been improved than previous. So that's it for this lesson. In the next lesson, we'll discuss how to add a background music in Adobe Premiere Pro.